Hi, I'm David with Silver Seas Yachts, and this is the 39 Coupe Tiara Yacht. Has a windlass and a remote spotlight. Mercedes silver hull color. Has the electric grill right here. Dolphin gray ultra leather vinyl with seat covers. Dual Garmin displays. There's the joystick and the remotes for the Garmin displays. The light gray interior. Stainless steel sink with the covers. And this is your cooktop. Pull out TV here. Storage up here. There's your microwave right there. And two refrigerators. That's your freezer. Over here is your air conditioning units and your battery switches and your stereo control. This is a skylight into the back bedroom. Teak floors. This is your master stateroom. Flatscreen TV. Closet with redwood cedar lining. Opening port lights. Full sink. Dometic freshwater flush head. And then your shower. Going back into the half bedroom. This is our back bed. Dirt Devil vacuum. It's a nice big sunroof. Here's your Fusion stereo remote right there. Has the dynamic positioning system, the digital TV, the Garmin HXD radar. Up here is the storage locker. There's your polished stainless steel anchor, all chain, with the freshwater rinse right there. Side windows open up here. There it is, the 39 Tiara Coupe. Has the ability to close the doors and has air conditioning and heat in this area.